Hello world, how you doing? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. Today will be another virtual tour reality video. I used to do it in the past few weeks before I travel every Saturday in Bali. Took me about 2 hours to come to Canggu right now, guys, from Sanur. That's unbelievable long. So anyway, I ordered the bike, like a Grab, but there is red zone, so he cannot come. I have to walk like 1 kilometer deep inside the Canggu. That's Canggu life. Yo! Just starting, meeting the fans. How you doing, guys? Hello. Hello. Where are you coming from, guys?
Argentina.
Argentina. Oh, you're gonna fly drone? Already? All right. Enjoying?
Enjoy, really nice.
Okay, I'm busy but making videos.
Keep going, good job.
Okay, enjoy the valley, okay? Take care, guys. So, just the beginning, and yeah, anyway, so there is like a red zone for the grabs. There is like some construction. I don't know actually what's going on here. So I have to go around, and I'm gonna show you all around the Canggu. Like I already mentioned, 2 hours to get here. Can you imagine that? 2 hours. I know by car is longer, but so that's gonna be very interesting probably. The virtual tour reality. I'm gonna try to drive around if I'm gonna get any Gojek drivers, any Grab drivers. Don't wanna really, I really happy to pay so much extra money to the Grab driver, but not really to the Canggu, because just don't willing to pay them extra. I know you have the same feeling probably like me. So anyway, I'm gonna show you everything around today in Canggu, the most popular and the most busy part of Bali, that's for sure, because I already feel it. It's many other places are busy, but Canggu, it's crazy. Okay, enjoy. I'm gonna change the camera position, and this is non-edited video. It's gonna be about 1 hour, maybe 1.5 hours long, and I hope so you're gonna enjoy it. If it's something new, enjoy the live chat, live stream, big thumb up, of course, and you can enjoy the live chat with the other people who are watching from all around the world, guys. Enjoy. All right, so this is the backside of the La Brisa beach club. Actually, at this point where I'm starting today, it seems like it's kind of quiet for some reason. However, if you're passing Brava, oh my god, there was like disaster. That's why I'm starting today's live 1 hour later, because when I was checking Google Map, it showed me 45 minutes, so should be no worries, but it wasn't like that. But surprisingly, the area here is super quiet. I mean, it's weird. This is the entrance to the La Brisa. Parking is full. There was the parking long time ago, but it's closed. And yeah, I don't know where is my Grab driver. He said is waiting somewhere for me. He cannot come here. Sorry about that. Massage ladies, hello. How are ya? Happy massage ladies here in Canggu, younger than in Kutao, that's for sure. That's also interesting fact. Some tourists sitting here. I don't know, there is the sign. There are some local strollers here. Hello. Good, welcome to Bali. Walking. Nice bottle opener. Very Bali thing. New shops here, Coco Market. That's something new, it's coming back. There is some co-working space or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna check the my map. All right, I'm in there like halfway. So yeah, let's see. I just gonna send the picture to the Grab driver as I'm coming. I don't wanna hit cancel. I don't know if it's even possible to send the picture. Oh, it is possible like this. All right, making some choices and use photo, send to my driver, so he will wait for me. I hope so. Some tourists checking out. There is like a hotel situation, checking out. There are some bars here. This is like a Kuta vibe actually nowadays, nearly in Canggu. I mean, well, every Kuta lovers will say no, but little bit, just for the younger generation. So like this is a little bit funny what I'm thinking right now, but like people who used to coming in the 3-4 decades ago, now they're kids, who are the kids obviously like young kids, now they are adults like in their 30s, 20s, 30s, they coming to Canggu. Parents coming to Kuta, kids coming to Canggu. And that's simply probably true. Anyway, a lot of land for lease. It's not that busy here. I mean, you expect something more, but it's not like not that busy. The land for lease, sale, 45 hours. It's gonna be super extremely expensive here. And nowadays Canggu, by the way, is the most expensive place in full entire Bali. And well, even it's the most expensive place in Bali, it's still the most popular place in Bali, especially for the newcomers. And well, Kuta and Legian, especially Kuta Legian, had so bad reputation for years. So, but I make few videos last time in Kuta Legian, Seminyak, to show you guys. Yeah, some people coming back, but like I explained, the few generations back people going there, and young generation coming here. And well, wherever you're gonna go, yo, look at the people who are driving around. They are young people. You're not gonna find much this sort of people in where? In Kuta or in Legian, Kuta Beach, drinking bintang. No, you're not gonna find like that, right? All right, this is the piece of land. Now it's for sale. This is 60 acres of land in the super extremely strategic area. There are cows there still, but somebody gonna become the millionaire when they gonna sell it. If I'm talking about the millionaire, I'm talking about that in literally in the dollars, millionaire in the dollars. So serious stuff. This is the local taxi. In case if you're interested to having them, they are tourists driving around. Once I parked here and I had terrible situation with these people over there. So sorry guys, but you're not gonna get a support from me, not on this occasion, nor for the treating like this. Anyway, doggos, yo, what's up? Somebody will be very rich. That's for sure when they're gonna sell this. And tonic, have no idea what is it. Sending picture to the Grab driver, have no idea where he is. He's hidden somewhere because there are so many checkpoints here. So walking around and don't wanna get the troubles with anyone. This is also why people Canggu have a bad reputation, but I think they know me kinda and they don't ask me for anything. People walking here, breakfast 35k net is not that expensive actually. In summer you're gonna pay more. Tourists walking around. My driver is over there hidden. I have to explain him as he have to drive me around. So many tourists actually walking around, and there is the shop and everything. We're gonna stop. Also, if you wanna rent the Grab, you have to hit. Yeah. There is the people. Yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So I want you to drive me around Canggu. I tell you where to go. Yeah, like a shortcut, Canggu station. Come back here, driving around. I pay you extra. Okay. Just cancel the app. I pay you. Yeah. I pay you extra. Okay. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Do you have a helmet for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Hello. How are you today?
Pardon?
How are you?
I'm good, thank
That's
you.
good. And Mini Mart lady, how are you today? All good? That's good. Okay. Just we keep secret, okay? Because Grab here no good. We just keep secret, okay? All right. Don't stress, my friend. Can you hold this one, please? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hold on a second. All right. I got the helmets. Bye bye, lady. See you later. Maybe I'm gonna buy some drink, okay? Let's go. Okay, let's go, my friend. All right.
And then you want to cancel it?
Yeah, cancel this, yeah? You just cancel this one, I pay you extra, okay? You cancel, yeah? Uh-huh. Okay. Alright. Situation. I have a helmet if so. Always remember safety first. Okay, cancel. And we're gonna drive. Hold on, I check my phone. Okay, hold on, I check, okay? Hold on, I check. Yeah, I check. Okay, I cancel, alright? I set as the promo issue, okay? Cancel anyway. Okay, it's cancel, alright? Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Because the local people behind. Alright. Yeah, I know, my friend, that's not good. I prefer to pay you than them, you know? No problem, my friend. Okay, so we go to Canggu station by Canggu shortcut, okay? Okay, thank you. And then we come back, okay? Yeah. But slowly, okay? Don't worry, I pay you extra, okay? Hello. Alright, meanwhile that's the situation here in the Canggu Central. Quite many tourists actually around. It's about 1 hour to the sunset, so let's see, have to wait. And yeah, so many new developments also around. This is the famous Santorini. Look at this, so many, with the dog, golden retriever, another grab. Another lady is walking here, hello. No saying hello, my friend, no like this time, it's okay. There is the, I don't know what is it, some sort of bungee jump, like 5GX, some sort of thing like this. This is Deus Ex Machina, very popular hotspot here in Canggu, one of the first restaurants, by the way, in this area. Luigi's, famous for the pizzas, stuff like this. This is the famous junction. We are heading now to going to the Canggu shortcut. Gonna show you more popular spots, hotspots around. There are many actually Grab and Gojek drivers. You can find them around, but not in the close by the beach. This is very difficult in Canggu. In Ubud was similar situation some time ago. Yeah, but definitely tourists are walking around. That's for sure. We are heading now into area of the Canggu shortcut, popular Cafe Revolver. It's beautiful weather, by the way. Pity I'm a little bit late today, but weather is beautiful, and probably I'm gonna come back around sunset time. Cafe Revolver, and this is the entrance to the famous Canggu shortcut. However, it's not as that busy. Yes? Canggu shortcut, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, but not today, yeah? Yeah, not today. Not today busy, however, crazy driver. I feel more comfortable when I drive by myself and I'm watching this. But after Vietnam, nothing gonna scares me anymore here. What's happened? Oh, traffic here? Alright. So here we go, guys. No, let's go. It's okay. We have time. Traffic is back. So that's what I want to show you guys. As if you ever gonna decide to come to Canggu, you have to expect this, the crowds. Now people move out from the beach situation and they are actually having their headquarters here, party. Check this out actually, so many people around. Big traffic, big party. I just hope so nobody gonna take my phone or something like that. Maybe I keep it in this side of the street. The traffic is terrible. Let's see what we can make it. If we can drive, really pass it. If not, I will ask him to turn around, because that's disaster, and this is like a still 800 meters or something like that, just to get to the other side of the traffic, you know what I mean, guys? Meanwhile, enjoy the situation in the bars. Oh, the car is coming. Wow. Yeah, the car is coming. That's the way. Why is the traffic? This is one-way road, by the way. It shouldn't be like that. I mean, this guy is like making himself really big stress, I could say. This is the driver, local guy, so not criticize the foreigners as they're making like this. And anyway, this is Canggu life. I'm stuck in the moment where it's like so many like loud music, but check this out. Check this out. What's going on here? Canggu is definitely the most busiest part of Bali now so far, and there's so many young people here, either we like it or not, but look at this guys. No? You see, this is like I cannot cut this off or edit this. This is just this real lifetime situation. So many Gojek drivers, they are just not allowed to the red zones, which is by the beach. Some time to time you can see also nice girls driving on the bike. Yo! Alright, nice Vespa. Nice bike. And this is the Canggu shortcut. Everywhere around, some time ago there was the rice fields, but that's back 10 years ago. Now there are so many restaurants, cafes especially, on every single corner. My Grab driver is very brave indeed today, and something is happening here in the junction. I know for some of you guys it's maybe a little bit boring, but this is daily life for every single person who decides to come for holidays, or even worse, be an expat in Canggu. And I think this is not as I like it or don't like it, but it's definitely worth to show you what's going on around. At least I wanna see stack the cars, yeah?
Keep going down or go back?
Go, hold on. Okay, go there. Let's skip this. Unbelievable. This is like crazy, yeah. This is unbelievable. We're not gonna stuck in the traffic, my friend. Not that much. Hold on a second, hold on, stop. I just show the people, 1 second.
Broken road.
Yeah, it's okay. Broken road is okay, or we come by, yeah? Check this out. This is where we're supposed to go. But we're not gonna go there. We're gonna go around. I just wanna show you. This is crazy stuff. Unbelievable. Okay, my friend, we go around, yeah? Big road, okay? Yeah, it's like this traffic. We're gonna stay there for 1 hour. Okay, turn around. Very nice guy, by the way. Very nice. All right. Oh, yeah, big road. It's okay, no problem for me. I just wanted to show the traffic, but I'm not gonna stuck for 1 hour there. That's the local vibe with the coconut. It's supposed to be what this guy is doing. He just stopped for making a picture. That's cool. Yo, bro. People coming here more likely to make a pictures and come back. It's that traffic as you can stop on the middle of the street. That's, I mean, not recommended, but you can do it. And making the pictures. Yeah, big traffic. Come back, guys. Don't do mistake like the rest of the people. That's crazy. Crazy stuff. 1 car, 2 cars gonna go in the wrong direction, and you're gonna stuck here for another few hours. But this is Canggu, guys. Meanwhile, enjoy a little bit of the landscape of Canggu shortcut like it was 10 years ago. This is the most beautiful part what left. Hopefully it will stay, at least this one, with the temple at the front. I hope so. What's your name, my friend?
Asun.
Asun? Here we go. This. Look at this boy, so cool actually. The traffic now is starting here, so we have to go around. Oh, it's okay, no problem. We're gonna go around. Show you a big street. Hopefully the traffic there is not that big. I mean, I'm ready for that. Expecting everyone. Doesn't mean as I want, but I expect. Have to show now where is the life, where is the hype. very important if people like Canggu. There's the key, you know, I was thinking like people traveling all around the world, spending so much money, so much time, so much effort, making this test and everything. They're coming to Bali from the other part of the world. Okay, I know Australian people have just 3, 6, 7 hours, depends where you're coming from, guys. But think about the European people, think about American people. They have to travel like 24 hours and spending like 5, 10 times more money than Australian people. Look at this boy. And they're coming to Canggu. So that's me. As Canggu have something. That's why today's live video is from Canggu. And enjoy the spin with me. At least the weather is beautiful. The sky is blue. Tourists around, and yeah, all is good actually. What's going on here? Why they stop? But definitely this traffic is only little traffic is 1,000 times better than Canggu shortcut. So you have a point of view. You can let me know in the comment section and in the live chat situation which one you prefer. Would you rather stay in the traffic jam in the Canggu shortcut for maybe 1 hour in the heat and in the, you know, like, you know how is the traffic jam, or would you rather go around? I'm definitely more happy to go around, even it's more far, than staying in the traffic like the rest of the people. You know what I mean, guys? This is like following the ships, you know. The ships go together, but you can be the smart ship and go around. Be the smart ship, guys. Yo, how you doing?
Yeah.
Enjoying traffic, yeah?
I'm going this way because the traffic back there was
It's
fucking
much better. It will be faster, man. Okay. This is smart guy. Don't be like the others. Alright, we are cruising. My driver have a nice Vario, brand new, very nice. It's not so bad. This is the main street in Canggu. Not sure what's going on here. There is like a Pechalan situation. Another new place. Seems very successful. Why this one not so really? Hello. Also people in here, they are kind of more nicer right now than a long time ago, but when I used to making videos in Kuta, there was like a situation more like old times. So everything is changing with depends of the situation how it's changing. So if situation is getting busier, seems like Canggu is slightly better. Wow, what they building over there. And when it was quiet, the Kuta was more friendly, but there was nobody there, so everything is different. This is the shop situation, surfers around. Ah, hello. Alright, we are cruising. Seems like a road is definitely much better right now, guys. So, yeah, definitely. Much better, much better. By the way, you know, guys, the Brazilian Aussie barbecue, they moved right now to Canggu. However, they are not so busy, but they moved here. Local marts are back. This is also more local vibe here, a little bit like if we compare this to Kuta, you will have to go a little bit far. Yeah, like far. I mean, like with the main closer to the Sunset Road. Or even more actually, but here is still kind of close by. Alright. We are cruising. There are still some tourists. That was the car from Surabaya with L letter, just in case if you are interested. Another car from Surabaya. L is Surabaya, B is Jakarta, and so on. Yeah, that's some nice situation here actually around. And this is the main junction. This is the area where we filmed the video with the dog guy. This is actually his time. I'm not sure if he's still driving with his dogs. You know, the guy who has so many buckets and dogs around, and he's cruising around here time to time. So yeah, the traffic here is really not as that bad. I think everybody going by the Canggu shortcut. Canggu shortcut was also refurbished, so it's nice kinda road right now. I just hold the camera closer, don't wanna lose it, you know what I mean? Oh dear. Situation is getting better. This is also the big truck with the cement. They're going probably for the I wouldn't say it's the proper construction of Holy Wings, but that's different road, different part of Canggu. We are heading now actually there. But there's so many construction actually everywhere around. So yeah, that's how it is. Crazy stuff actually. Nice. Lucky as we are standing here, the driver is very safe. That's why. No reckless. Safety first, guys. Don't be silly. Somebody asked me how many accidents on the motorbikes are in Bali, because so many motorbikes in Bali actually, guys. Honestly, I saw personally in my life over 20, maybe 30 death incidents. I don't want to talk about that when I'm driving on the junction. But there are many actually, many what are reported and even more what they are not reported, guys. So be very careful when you drive. If you don't know how to drive, you don't feel comfortable. And this guy, this is the name of the company, wear the helmet and enjoy. They are driving actually pretty slow, but safe. And safety is the most important thing. You're not gonna, there were many people actually, we're not talking about this stuff today. Oh, look at this. You have to be very careful. I mean, this is normal. I mean, like really normal, but you got the point. It's the main street in Canggu. Very main street. This road is leading actually from Tanah Lot going to Canggu, Berava. However, Tanah Lot is not really popular anymore, like it was long time ago, like ages ago. Now people going to Canggu for the, you know, party, entertainment and stuff like this. There are not many tourists going for the Tanah. Sad story, sad situation, but it's true. Also the traffic here is as well, so there is not like there's no traffic around. But the driver is going on the middle of the road, and I'm very happy with that actually. When I used to drive a bike, I used to do the same thing. Really the same. It's kinda, you have to be a good driver for that, but it's the best way. But I will go already if I will drive by myself, but it's okay. Somebody put restaurant name Insomnia, but delayed. This looks like an Omnia. Nice shop. Okay, let's go. No, we're gonna stop for a while. Okay, let's go. See, this is what I'm talking about. You have to be very careful with that. And this is how you drive in Canggu. I mean, in Bali in general, but especially in Canggu nowadays. Because in Sanur, definitely you don't drive like this. There is no traffic like this ever in Sanur. Maybe once in my life I stuck in the Sanur traffic like that when it was ceremony or something. For a while, only like 1 or 2 hours. But the traffic like this in Canggu is just simply every single day. Especially, of course, during the weekend it's even worse. It's gonna be even worse in next 2 hours when it's already after sunset, when everybody decides to go home. But this is every single day, guys. I mean, ridiculous, right? Oh. Yeah, actually, nice. I don't know what should I say, guys. A long time ago, the Kuta and Legian was like that as well. Now it's changed more into Canggu. But I was going in the traffic like that from Sanur 2 hours, and I started 3 o'clock and I arrived at 5. That's unbelievable, actually. Can you imagine that? And honestly, if you are driving by bike and you are not driving reckless, like, you know, like very fast, very reckless, like, you know what I mean, you're not gonna get much faster. You're gonna get maybe on the distance to Sanur, you're gonna get a half hour faster, but you're not gonna make it in less than that. I know it from the experience. You could do it in 1 hour, but you have to drive very, you know, very brave, I could say. Alright, the situation here, that's crazy stuff. Somebody have a nice car. Some tourists from Java Island, I guess. I believe. Usually people from Jakarta. I mean, not many foreigners driving a cabrios in Bali, even they could afford this. But it's not. I mean, it's not fun driving a cabrio in Bali or in Indonesia or anywhere where it's like so much pollution, so hot and everything, also sunburn. It's not like driving a cabrio in California or some sort of stuff like this. That's totally different stuff. But meanwhile, this is one of the busiest junction situation here in Canggu. There is police here, person enjoying the time, trying to stop the people. It was a little bit scary when he came next to me actually, but he just wanted to stop the traffic. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm just the rider at the back. That's why you have to wear helmet, but I don't wear a helmet because of him. I wear helmet for the safety. That's why I asked the guy last time. I didn't go because the driver didn't have. Also, so many of you guys were not happy about that. I know you care about my life and everything, but that wasn't my fault. That was the driver's fault. But yeah, I will cancel, but this one is good. Meanwhile, the situation, crazy stuff. Actually, when you are sitting in the car, it's crazy, but when you are sitting in the bike, it's even more crazy when you can watch it just without the window and anything like that. Crazy stuff. Hello. Stuff like this. Traffic on the one side, on the other side. Now we have to wait because of the people. There are ladies actually driving without the helmet, but seems like it's not a problem in Canggu actually. Police don't have a time. This is actually all about your safety nowadays. It's not about the rules or something, stuff like this. I mean, maybe it's quiet, the police will stop them, but when it's so busy like this, no. But in the traffic, I mean, driving maybe somewhere in the village will be alright, but driving in the traffic junctions like this, no. Oh, look at this, kids and tourists, this one. Oh my god, that's actually... The funny thing is the local kids, they driving like a very small but no helmets. But okay, we're not talking about the helmets as well, right? Leave it alone. Let's focus about the traffic situation here in Canggu today. This is like already half hour of recording time of the live. I hope so you still enjoy and you are not bored enough. It's going to be a little bit dark now, but yeah, it will be half during daytime and half during nighttime. I reckon we're gonna coming back already when it's dark and it's night. Hello, hello, hello. Crazy stuff. And now imagine we have to going back on the same road, or if you wanna go by this road, or you wanna go by the, what is it called, Canggu shortcut. You have the two options. You have to choose one of these. Both doesn't look optimistic in general. But now if we are here already, we have to be here anyway. But that's crazy actually. Crazy stuff. Actually, I'm glad that I took my driver with me today. That's much easier when you sit at the back and filming than you are driving. Even I touch the Long time ago I used to attach the GoPro to the helmet, but it's different experience. Not doing that anymore. I mean, I sold my bar, so better support the people. I can already imagine as we have to come back to the same spot because I parked the car there on the beach. And now imagine as I have to come back home to Sandor passing this traffic jam. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, today's live. Big thumb up if you are watching during the live stream, I mean the live chat and everything. Give some support. I mean the thumbs up, this question hopping is totally for free, but it's helping me a lot. If you're watching that later as the playback, the same thing actually, guys. Same thing. Meanwhile, enjoy a little bit of the situation. So I'm gonna show a little bit on this side of the street right now. Let's see what is on the street. The traffic is actually not as that bad anymore. I hope so you can hear me also properly. I hope so my microphone's working well. I'm talking a little bit quieter today because if I'm gonna speak very loud, it's very hard for my throat. Okay, they didn't open the shop yet. I don't know why, but yeah. We are going now to Canggu over there. Yeah. This is already Berava Street, the beginning. They do some refurbishment of this building. This building is here already for many, many years. I could say forever, but it's always empty. Somebody put a lot of money on it, but nothing really happened. But now they're gonna change it because Berava is developed actually a lot. I could say pretty a lot. So yeah, they build so many things there. Sunset is soon. Slowly, slowly we are cruising around. There's some villas around. Also, there is not as the situation as I said at the beginning, as only young generation of people coming to Canggu. There are also the same generations of people, whether they are in Sanur or they are in Kuta or Legian, they are also in Canggu, but it's just less. There's less people like that. But they are, of course. So Canggu evolved a lot and is going into their own ecosystem, I could say. And some of people may like it, some of the people may hate this. For me, personally, if you ask me, I'm very neutral to any kind of area in Bali. I have the same feeling between Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, and this is the Port 8 NFT, by the way. I have the same feeling to everyone. Hello! So funny. Right, I should hold the camera on this side. Some lady's gonna say hi to me. Hello. Not this one, no, the foreigners, maybe the local. So I have the same feeling to everyone, guys. Sanur is my favorite one. I like Uluwatu. A long time I didn't vlog in Uluwatu. I think now when the tourism back, I'm gonna vlog more often in Sanur and in Uluwatu. At least in Uluwatu, I'm gonna try to vlog once a week. I used to vlog like once a month. Now I'm gonna vlog at least once a week there. Probably once a week in Canggu. Maybe twice in Sanur, and the rest will be the rest of the area. Well, let's see. I'm still planning my another adventure in June, guys. Probably I can tell you on the live stream, because probably I'm not gonna mention during the normal video until I'm gonna go somewhere, but on the live stream, of course, I can mention because that's the most loyal viewers watching us every single time, especially the live stream, guys. So I really appreciate you have a right to know I'm planning to go. We go straight, boss, okay? Yeah. No, I changed my mind. We go there. The big traffic. Yeah. Thank you. Stop, please. Okay, we're gonna skip the Canggu station. We go straight and then going to Finn's area. Okay. All right. This is the area of Milk and Madhu, somewhere there, popular spot in Canggu. over here, yeah, used to be very popular restaurant, by the way. Still seems busy actually. So, like I said, I'm planning to go for maybe, I don't know how long. I'm not gonna tell you how long because I don't know, but I'm planning to go to Malaysia and Thailand for my next trip. I'm gonna make a series of videos like the last time in Singapore and Vietnam, but I'm not sure for how long and not sure exactly when. In June probably, most likely in June, so I hope so you will enjoy. There's so much people in Thailand and many of you also planning to go to Thailand or going to Thailand, so I'm gonna film this. And not much is happening on YouTube regarding the Malaysia, but Malaysia is very sentimental to me because I met Winnie there, even she's Balinese, but I met her in Malaysia, so I'm gonna tell you the story maybe when I'm already there. But yeah, meanwhile enjoy the Canggu today. So I have a problem with my camera. If I touch like this, everything is dark but the nice color of the sky, but if like this, there is bright on the buildings but the sky is white. Well, that's normal, that's the exposure problems. What's happened with this restaurant here and this one? The refurbishments maybe right now. And we're gonna go now to the Fins area, yeah? Alright. So we used to vlog with Winnie last time here at night. Hello. Like I said, actually many tourists around cleaning. But the situation in Canggu is like this, is that some places are simply very busy and some places are like kinda quiet. And there's also so much development there. That's unbelievable about the amount of development in Canggu. It's like in Da Nang in Vietnam is development, but here is, look at this, everywhere. And we are heading now into the area of the Holy Wings. So many restaurants. Situation. Okay. Yeah. Still empty land, time to time, some warungs here. Selling around. Alright. Okay. And this is the junction. We could go there actually. And this is the development of the Holy Wings in Canggu. What this is? This balloon actually. Ah, the dog! It's alright. This is the development of the Holy Wings. They put already some balloon. This is the biggest, gonna be the biggest beach club in Asia. It's gonna be huge. And it's a lot of controversy, of course, like everything when it's new and big, it's controversy in Bali. With Hyatt's hotel in Sanur in 1970 was exactly the same thing and always gonna be. Let's see when they open, I will come here and make a video. This is the Saint-Tropez and Fins. Okay, no, we come back, all right? Hello? The lady was smiling, I don't know what she's looking here. I'm sorry, but I'm taken. Meanwhile, the traffic next to the club, crazy as always. And this is like... Okay, shortcut is okay, maybe we can say hello. But they say hello to her, not to me. So funny. Alright, let's go. Let's try shortcut, if not we go main street. Let's see the situation.
You can go back.
Okay. Whatever, but we have to come back to the same, yeah? To the where we start, okay? Okay.
Yeah, minimal, right?
Yeah. Alright. So we are going back, however, the situation will be different because it's already almost night. I don't know when they're gonna open, but not yet. I heard they were planning to open this in July or August, but I think it's gonna be slightly delayed. Doesn't look as that's gonna be open right now. And yeah, actually many tourists. But now it's the month of May, and first of all the local holidays are finished, so you can see the Bali without the local tourists that much like it was before. You can see more foreigners only, so it's more comprehensive. That's why many people were saying it was so busy at the beginning of the month last week. But that was the Ramadan holidays, and Ramadan is finished, so it's not that busy anymore. However, you can see the amount of the foreigners around. So that's actually the real traffic. What is it? And yeah, what I can say, it's pretty enjoyable in general, maybe except that as we stuck 2 times in the traffic and I'm gonna go home for 2 hours, but after that it's very enjoyable. That's the nice restaurant, forgot the name, was here once. Nice mural, very interesting as well. We're gonna try to take a different road, deep indoors. So this, you see, this is what I'm talking about. Seems like they are Russian or some sort of thing, or probably look like. By the way, I'm not Russian, guys. If you're thinking like that, I will be not happy. However, I have nothing to Russian people. I know many Russian nice people, but they are reckless when it's coming to driving. But also very interesting thing about the Russian people, if you are talking about that, oh, so nice, looks like a Spanish or something. One thing about, hold on, I need to focus what's going on here, that's crazy stuff. Actually, we're going straight. Did you realize not many people are honking around actually? It's very quiet on the streets, I mean people not honking. Also very interesting fact about the community of expats or the tourists, in general foreigner people in Bali. Bali, Australia is not anymore on #1 position, currently it's Russia, and second position is taken by American people. Australia is on #3, however it's made change in the upcoming months or weeks, but currently it's not like that. It's changed. A lot of things has changed. Also, this is because of the war and stuff like this. So yeah, but nice sky right now. So many nice restaurants around. Actually, it's very hard also to hold the camera. I mean to film because so many things to show. But it's too slow if I walk. And not mention it's too tired. It's slightly too fast when you drive, but you cannot drive too slow because that's also not good. You don't want to get pushed by the people behind you. It's also actually dangerous if you drive too slow. It's the same danger like driving too fast. Huh? Okay, let's try the Canggu shortcut right now then. Yeah, nice place. I don't know what's the name. Very nice. This is the entrance to the Canggu shortcut. My driver said that he wanna try. Alright, let's try. So many actually Gojek drivers. And I don't know if we're gonna make it or not. Yes, no? Big traffic? Yeah. Okay. I mean up to you. You are the boss.
Up to you, eh?
I don't know.
Go back or don't try?
I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. Up to you. This is the big dilemma. You don't know what to do. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, no problem. I don't know if you can hear the driver said let's reach to the one junction there. There is actually two-way traffic and after that is one-way traffic, but anyway, some people may say welcome to hell because the hell is bad, and by hell we mean the traffic. Okay, let's back. And by hell all the people are meaning this one. This is the hell, Canggu hell. But you can meet also a lot of nice girls in the traffic, just in case if you are single and looking for the date. Definitely Canggu is #1 and for you. However, I have a wife, so not for me, the stuff like this, but many of you asking me actually every time. The most frequent question is show me more girls, where to find the girls and stuff like this. So, yeah, but I have a full permission to talk about that from my side. We know how the life is going. We are smart people, we accept every fact, but well, oh, in Thailand, yes?
No, this is my wife.
Oh, hello, I'm the customer, hello, okay, but focus driving, okay? He has a lovely wife, He just said that I'm a YouTuber, so his wife will be very happy. I'm gonna give him nice deal. I don't know where he's coming from, by the way, but it's alright, nice. She looks very happy with this out. But I hope so he's gonna focus driving as well. Meanwhile, enjoy the traffic. We're just driving around. So yeah, that's the situation. Always easy going and happy. This is more likely local part of the Canggu right now where I am. Close to the area where there are actually many locals, of Canggu locals living around. However, I'm not sure why it's actually so dark today and so quiet. Everything seems closed during the weekend, not sure why it's like that. It's been over 1 month when I was in Canggu last time. That's actually unbelievable, but that's true. So yeah, this is the Canggu. Also is kind of beautiful place. It's little bit here. It's like a Batur Sari area in Sano. They are mixed between the expats who leasing villas here, houses, local houses, with the mix of the local people here who are living. That's what I actually like. That's why when I'm gonna stay in probably in the Bangkok for a while, I'm looking to rent a condominium where it's something between expats and local vibes. So, I mean, I like to filming the tourist spots, but I also like to filming local areas, especially in Hanoi. I make so many videos about that. Well, even I used to vlog actually in the old quarters, but yeah. Meanwhile, this is the very local area. Ah, this guy. But kinda quiet today, like not sure why it's like that. By the way, the price of the going from the shop where we started coming to the nearly area where I said we're not going there to the Canggu shop, Canggu station, is only cost you about
Traditional market?
yeah, that's the traditional market over here with the murals in the front. This market is very busy at morning, by the way, very nice. They have a traditional market in Canggu, by the way. Many people not talking about that, but that's true. Alright, so yeah, we were there last time. We're going straight, hopefully no traffic. But I forgot to tell you that back to the prices, this was only 15,000 or 13,000. But the Grab gonna get a nice tip, don't worry about that. Deserve. Meanwhile, local food, masakan pandan here, many things actually. I'm just holding my camera, just literally in the two hands right now. More scared filming like this in Canggu than abroad in Vietnam or somewhere. Even the train situation wasn't that scary like here, because there are many people actually potentially could take my camera. Lucky as I have a nice tripod, small, very heavy metal one, but very solid. But you know how is it? Yeah, have to be very careful always. He's the local Grab driver, so he has a phone like this, but this is like a normal phone. I wouldn't be brave enough to put like this on the iPhone or something, especially when you are tourists. It's easy to lose this, especially in the traffic situation. But he's the pro. Little traffic will be. We have to come back to the previous stage. Oh, here we go. Some local people still walking around with the offerings and stuff like this. There's some shampoo. Other local people driving around. Very nice vibe. And over food, barbecue in case if you are interested. Kids driving around. Okay, I'm gonna show you this side of the street right now. He's driving on the middle. Alright. He's stuck slightly. Look at this track and his decorations. More mini markets. Stuff like this. He's stuck in the little traffic, but it's alright. I think better here than in the Canggu shortcut. But anyway, you have not much options. There are not other options. You're gonna stuck in the traffic no matter what you do and where you go if you are in Canggu. And Son Kuta will be pretty the same thing. However, when I vlogged yesterday in Kuta, it wasn't like that. Not in Seminyak and in Kuta 2 days ago, yesterday in Seminyak, wasn't even close to that situation, but here, yeah. Of course, weekday and weekend is a little bit different, but not that actually very, very much. So yeah, Hanover, Masakan, Padang, in case if you're interested of Padang food. Padang food is very nice actually. You're very happy, very nice. And he's working in Gojek, different company, and he's driving in Grab. That's actually two different companies, but they are very nice, as they are friends and everything. Loyalty, they are not fighting, as they are different companies. All of them, they trying to feed their families and stuff like this. That's very important. Always remember that, and always very worth to tip the drivers like this. They're working hard. What's going on here? You have a nice decorations. Angel eye red. Like kids in Europe making the lights for their old BMWs 20-30 years ago, but people in here are putting like this right now still. Hello. Alright. Yeah, definitely more tourists everywhere around. Oh, and over decorations. This angel eyes, but green ones this time. Alright, I can see the traffic junction over there. It's also actually nice now. It's a little bit maybe worse quality, little bit for the video, right? Because it's like a dark, but actually it's nice. It's not that hot. I mean, still hot, but not that super hot. And it's also slightly, I mean, it's nice vibe. And the junction is there like a 200-300 meters, let's say. There's some local Warungan shop. Okay. They're selling something here for 6K. Meanwhile, the situation, people waiting in the traffic. Nice color of the helmet, I like it. Truck with the people on the top. Yo. By the way, there is not recommended to having a headset while you are driving, especially if you are driver. If you are passenger is different, but many people do like that. And this is the junction, so it's not that bad actually. We're going straight, we're not going right. But let's see. Big traffic. Nice to feel. This lady very brave walking there. And we are going straight, at least we are trying. Hello. Alright. That's actually scary. I mean, I feel more comfortable when I'm driving by side. It's cool in general. Look at this traffic. All of the people are happy, actually, they're smiling, most of them. I mean, nobody said something bad, this, wow, what are you doing, or some sort of thing. They actually smile, some of them, they even say hi. Not so bad. Everything is changing. Look at this Vespa. Nice. I wouldn't feel comfortable sitting there. Bali taxi from the airport. Not Bluebird, don't mix them up. And the sky. Traffic going back to, what's the area of the Canggu there? Batu Bolong, something like that. And well, to the mini mart first, because he cannot drop me to the beach. I will walk again 1 kilometer at the end. Alright, there's also so many furnitures here, so you can buy some food. So much smoke. They smoke some restaurants. They're actually local restaurants. So these local restaurants was here actually before the hype started in Canggu. So like construction shops and stuff like this. This was actually already long before any clubs or any villas established, many villas established in Canggu. That was actually already before. So this is like a connecting point with the shops like this to the heart of the tourism. Also, this road previously was leading only to the Tanahlot temple, but I don't know if many people going to the Tanahlot temple anyway nowadays. Probably not many. Okay. I try to catch the focus from the sky, because it's actually very nice. I hope so you enjoy, guys. And yeah, situation. Now going to Canggu at that time is actually not as that crowded, but going back is crowded. So when we finish this live, guys, I'm gonna be on the opposite direction going back to Canggu. And the funny thing is, I cannot take different road. I mean, I could go by Tabanan and going by Denpasar, but this is like a triple distance, no double distance, and also there will be traffic actually, many trucks and buses and stuff. So no matter of what, you're gonna stuck in the traffic. But meanwhile, enjoy from your screen. I also you grab some drink, some drinks, some stuff like this, and you can enjoy. Actually, the sky is very nice. If my camera gonna grab the sky. So many distracts. And yeah, situation. Crazy stuff actually. But one thing I already said, I think once, and I'm gonna say again, there is not much honking. Normally in Vietnam or somewhere, even long time ago in Bali, there will be like so much honking, right? Like so much, like a lot. But now it's just everybody quietly driving in the traffic jam, trying to figure out how to get away, and that's it. Not many people honking, that's the big surprise. Also quite many foreigners, yo. So cool stuff. Also met at the beginning if you missed that. And I just start making intro, just get connected. I met some lovely couple from Argentina. Oh, my driver is struggling a little bit. Also the road here is very bumpy. That's great. Woohoo! We nearly stuck here. Have to get to the main street. I have a camera, so they have to let us in. Anyway, what I was saying, as I met the lovely couple from Argentina, they was actually finished flying drone. Very nice people. Unfortunately, I have to start this live, and my driver was already booked and waiting, so I couldn't spend more time with them. However, like I said, more international people you're gonna find in Canggu, while in Kutalegian you're gonna find most likely Australian people community. So you have to find the balance between everything. I mean, I don't remember when last time I saw people from South America in Kuta, but in Canggu actually many. It's very interesting.
Batu Bolong atau Padang Linjong?
Batu Bolong.
Linjong is rice field area.
Yeah, the same road. Oh, the rice field area. Yeah, okay, let's go. Yeah, let's try different road. That's true. Why not? This nice sky. We're gonna go straight because we used to go actually here left, but we're gonna go right. There's actually nice area between Pererenan and Canggu, what I forgot already for a while. Should be nice sunset. I mean the sky after sunset. Local vibe, that is already after longer than one hour the live. I hope so, yeah, still bear with me guys, still with me, enjoy. I cannot grab the sunset. Hold on. Maybe better like that, but I don't know about the autofocus. Here we go. I hope so it's not too dark for you, but should be nice. Enjoy. Whew. Beautiful. Now the situation, traffic little bit less. Also so many places like restaurants and bars and everything is here. Also the shops where you can buy the fruits and everything. I used to vlog at the beginning of my YouTube quite often here, then I moved filming in different areas, but I think slowly I'm gonna start filming in here area. And this is the Bali Canggu where Winnie used to eat last time, man Larry. Hello. Bali Canggu, stuff like this. Okay, let's go straight. Now you can enjoy the rest of the beauty in Canggu, beautiful sky, the road, like a nearly romantic drive. Very nice. There are also so many new restaurants here, just established right now. I don't know what's going on here. But was the beautiful restaurant, but the beautiful rice field and the sunset. Very nice. So much is going around. So many. That's actually probably great place for making a business if you have enough money to buy the land here. I mean, to lease the land. Except your wife is local. Oh yeah, and the Japanese, Vietnamese restaurant actually also very successful. They opened 4 restaurants already, and even little traffic here. So serious stuff. I nearly said the word starting for S. Oh well, there are some people, but beautiful the sky, guys. I hope so you enjoy. It's really beautiful. This is, stay with me, this is not over yet. I'm gonna show you a little bit more about the residential area of Canggu. Just the last shot from the sunset. And here we go. This is the street situation already. So many developments everywhere, that's unbelievable. I mean, I had a friend who used to have a villa here and somewhere here long time ago. He was the photographer, I mean professional photographer. He was photo shooting models. His job was very interesting. That was so long time ago. A very nice guy. And oh my god. Also, most of the models in Bali, they are Russian ladies, by the way, just interesting fact. They're not really local Indonesian, but they are Russian. That's just interesting fact for all the people who are interested about the stuff like this. Once again, I'm not Russian, guys. Same. Beautiful, actually, color. Very nice time for making this video right now, actually. Also, at the end of the year, I want to upgrade my camera gear, so I hope so these green spots, what you can see right now on the screen, what they are coming, the reflection of the street lights or the other lights, it's very annoying for some people. I hope so it's gonna be gone, but I need to invest quite a lot of money into it, but I will do it, I hope so, at the end of the year. I hope so I can make it. Probably the new camera out I'm gonna buy will have a couple CBD to record in 8K. Even the YouTube not supporting 8K, still 4K. But if I'm gonna record in 8K and upload in 4K, the quality gonna be much way better. And also I hope so the night mode will be improved to this one. I mean, this one is still great, but it's already 1.5 hours what I'm using it, and it's made like a 600 videos on this camera. So the colors already are a little bit burned because of the sun, obviously, and stuff like this. You know. Anyway, this is the Canggu, actually leading to La Brisa. This road is going to La Brisa and the beach all the time straight. So many shops, restaurants around. Slightly more busier at morning. This is Bali Buddha. A lot of villas and a lot of people who deciding to stay in Bali longer, like a month these days. They deciding to stay in this area. Look at the sky, beautiful actually. Very beautiful. I hope so you can still hear me properly. The quality is alright. Kebab club. It's still not that good kebab like I eat in Singapore. Not mention about the Malaysian shawarmas. Oh, I will show you Malaysian shawarmas, guys, cooked by the Turkish people. But they are not like this in Bali, unfortunately. Pretty sad, but yeah. And yeah, this is the situation in Canggu. Pretty cool vibing. It's going already to be night. And at night it's actually not as that busy, right? I mean, it's nice, but it's kind of cozy, I could say. So many villas everywhere around. Actually here, serious stuff. It's a little bit dark looking corner, people walking. If you're walking like this, always switch on your torch in your phone for your safety reason, or for the snakes. Oh, there will be no snakes here. However, sometimes you may find something. This is like a afternoon drive. It's about, yeah, afternoon, close to 6:30 or something.
The minimart, right?
Yeah. Yeah, because he cannot go to the beach. We have to stop in the mini mart where we started at the
You
beginning.
want going to the beach? Maybe
You can go to the beach? Okay, if you can, let's
drop
go.
is okay.
Yeah, drop, yeah. To the beach, yeah, to the park here, okay? Okay. Okay, so the drop is actually okay, but they cannot pick you up.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I understand, it's okay. So we start here in the mini market, and we can now drive. I used to work here. All the people actually going out. So also remember, if you're taking Grab from the normal situation, look at the sky over there, so nice. So they can drop you here, but they cannot pick you up, right? Yeah. Okay. That's no problem. Some driver. Angry people. And we are heading now back to the beach. Our cruising speed is about 27 kilometers per hour, just in case if you are interested. Local time is about 6:30 p.m. The sports bar over there. And this is nearly the La Brisa area already. This is gonna be like, I don't know, the most hype area very soon. The Suarans one day they're gonna go, unfortunately, because somebody gonna buy the land there. Gonna build something. La Brisa, when I was here opening, like in 2016, if I'm not mistaken, or 17, there was like literally nothing around. This hotel was only here. Straight. Yeah. Oh. Drop off. This guy is turning around. This is like a border side. Rip cool, if you in case. This area is super popular actually for the surfers. And this is the last of the shot of the sunset. We're gonna stop here. Just drop off. Actually quite busy here. Okay. All right. Okay. Sorry. All right. So this is the area where he's going. All right. So this is like a people going out. Here we go. Thank you. All right. Hold on a second. I'm gonna show you the sky. I need to give him the camera. I will pay. Give the nice tip as always. Oh, it's so dark. Thirsty. My driver must be thirsty. I don't surprise. We drive like for nearly 1.5 hours. Meanwhile, the situation on the parking area, and I'm gonna show you the sunset. Just gonna pay him. All right, hold my camera, okay? Hold my camera. Hold on a second. You are just recording yourself.
Still recording?
Yeah, recording. Oh, now you are recording me, and now you are recording yourself. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend. It's okay? That's good? Okay. Good?
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Buy something to your wife, okay? Okay, take care. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. All right. So the driver was very happy. He got like a 10 times more when he will get this for the one first ride. So always be very generous, guys. He was really happy. Actually, he smiled. His wife is, I think, Muslims. He must be from different islands of Indonesia, so it's even harder for him because he have to work, not even in his house. Meanwhile, this is the La Brisa situation. Actually, sunset is pretty nice. I mean, it was nice sky. The vibe is really nice. I think when we are looking now into the La Brisa, not gonna work there. I'm gonna finish, I think, my live stream soon. Look at this crowd of the people who are watching sunset right now. I'm not gonna face the camera like too much too close. The corn guy here. Okay, I'm gonna go up a little bit, show you around. This is the parking situation. My driver still there, and yeah, the parking situation. I parked the car somewhere there at the back. I hope so they didn't block me. So guys, thank you so much for watching, for being with me till this moment. I hope so many of you still. It was the ride. Sorry for my hairstyle. What I can say, very enjoyable in Canggu. Beautiful sunset. Actually, sunsets are very nice. Many young people around. Tomorrow will be another video from Bali as always, and then will be another the live stream on next Saturday. I hope so you're gonna enjoy. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you the little bit of the sunset, or at least what left for the another few, maybe 3-4 minutes, so you can enjoy the live chat when you are watching during the live, and then if you are watching the playback, just enjoy. I'm not gonna talk anything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I really appreciate, and see you tomorrow and next one, and next week another live stream. See ya. Take care, guys.